TeeJay go live at his daughter's birthday party and Shensea's son prays for her.
Please
protect my mother.
protect my mother.
Make her path
Make her path
to the right way.
to the right way.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post joke, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. So I have some quick updates for you people. We're going to talk about Shenseea and we're going to talk about TeeJay. So Shenseea dropped new music. She said tomorrow, but then we see she post and say tonight she go live, so it look like she actually go drop the song tonight. So the song name Be Good, but I don't know how to pronounce that in a Jamaican, just say it fast. I don't know what it is. Plus she has sport 1 year style where everybody has say, yeah, I represent the song. So we don't know what go on. But we have a video with Raj a prayer for Shenseea, so I really want to hear this. So take a listen. Here goes.
Our Father,
Thank you
thank you
for this day.
for this day.
Please protect my mother.
Protect my mother.
Make her path
Make her path
to the right way.
to the right way.
Please make her albums
Please make her albums
be good
be good
and protect her
and protect her
from all harm and danger.
from all harm and danger.
Please heal her if she gets hurt.
Please heal her if she gets hurt.
And please bring her to the right way back home.
Please bring her to the right way back home.
Amen.
Amen.
So along with that post, Shenseea put in the caption and she said, y'all hear my baby at Rajira Lee praying for me. 5 years old, I make sure he knows God. I love him and he loves me. I was at the studio late last night, but big up Ramesh Entertainment for protecting my world. People, it's confirmed that Shenseea is going to be on YouTube live tonight and she had dropped the song tonight, but just as she posted on her story. Now that picture you want to see on the screen right now, this is the picture where everybody love of a Shenseea and I make fun of the hairstyle. You see me I say, but I don't know say the Be Good hairstyle, so I don't know what go on. But people may have a next video more for showing. So this is TeeJay at his daughter's birthday party. Now I'm go live yesterday for a quick second and him just did a show we what go on him daughter's birthday party. So we know that TeeJay is a man we talk about in relationship with him father and how, you know what I mean, how it go. We're going to talk about that after we show another video though. So without any further ado, here's the video of TeeJay as his daughter's birthday party. Here goes.
Are you so shy? Are you so shy? Are you so shy? Baby? You shy, man.
Smart.
Daddy girl.
Yeah, smart.
No, hide.
Come and put your shoes, Jaden. Come now, stop that.
But Jay, we're not even sing happy birthday yet and you're ready to cut the cake already. No. You have to sing happy birthday first. Then you cut it.
Mommy, are you cooking? Yeah, what is nice?
Okay, sorry.
Come, Jaden.
Sorry, Miss Princess Jayana. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Put me on.
No, cut your hand too. Okay, give me this. If you cut your hand, I go cut my neck.
The block top with my phone.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Wait, on live at the phone, babes.
Tonight, what did you do with my phone?
Live at the phone. Say hi. Say hi. Why? Indifferent.
She already know if you do not sing happy birthday, no, she don't.
You ready to sing happy birthday and done? You want to enjoy yourself? You want to play in the bounce house? Come, I'm gonna come in the bounce house with you and jump. jump up in the sky. Alright, ready now. We're going to sing happy birthday now.
Yeah, so first and foremost, I just want to big up TeeJay upon that. You see what I say? I love to see that. I know say, yo, he's a good father. You always see him with him kids. Them more while you see him pack up in car with him kids them and him just go up and make a video and post it or him dep on him live or whatever. You see what I say? So and this is another first time thing with TeeJay. I show him kids them. And I just want to shout out every father out there who knows that them a do them duties and them a do what them supposed to do. Them there for them kids when a birthday party, graduation, everything and in between that too. You see what I say? Not just financially but when did it emotionally and when did it to support the mother as well, because that is important to the well-being of the child, right? We have to support the mother as well. I'm not talking about us give her money, but we have to help. We have to, even if you and I are not together, we make sure say there's a balance where we know say yeah, the kid is happy or the children them happy, right? Because people don't know say TeeJay always talk about film relationship with him father and him talk say, yo, him father never really did a film when him younger. So I'm glad for somebody where say that, you know what I mean? Them now follow in the same footstep, them I do what is right and I do a different thing and I make sure say him did it as a father. Now I love do them video people, you know what I mean? Me is Mr. Good Fortune because today are two kids me talk about. We talk about Shenseea's son and now we are talk about TeeJay and for him daughter. But you know what I mean? I prefer to do them video other than the other thing them. You see me? We love some of the other video them, you know. We know so most time we talk about Spice Kids also. So you know where we stand though. We not really cross the line and get too personal with it. But whatever them post, I'm gonna see it fit and say, alright, then we can repost that and show the people them who are going. You know what I mean? We're gonna do that. So like me say, big up all the good father them, big up TeeJay, big up the good mother them as well. You see what I mean? I say good parents overall. So we just stay strong out there and just go on for do or not do. Make sure say the kids them get a fair chance in life when we raise them well. Because some people just concerned and think say money do everything, you know, people. But and not just money, you know what I mean? Love is more important than money. And teaching the kid what them need to know, make them successful in a life, you know what I mean, is important as well. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long time subscribers, thank you for being here. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.